So hello guys, today we are going to see the teardown of Samsung Galaxy J5 which was released back in 2015. So let's go inside the video. So now let's go inside the video. As you can see, it has major cracks in the front. The display in this phone is broken, so it's very easy to peel it off. I can take it with my own hands. Keeping the display aside, let's take the home button away. The home button will not function as it's missing a clip. So now let's open the back. So let's start by removing the battery. Now let's remove all these screws present here. After we remove the last screw, I have removed all the screws here. So now let's transfer all these screws to the back cover. I don't want to lose any screw. Now let's apply force and push this back cover out. After pushing the back cover out, we can see what components are inside the back cover. There's a camera lens, speaker grills, and a flashlight. So here the only one component here is the speaker and some wire going upwards. I don't know what's that for. And there are some signal wires here. And here comes the volume rocker key. So let's keep every part aside. So now this is the motherboard. So we can remove one screw securing the motherboard. So now let's remove the motherboard. This headphone jack is replaceable. So now let's remove the plugs connected to the headphone jack. And yeah, there we go with the motherboard. So let's take a look on the camera. This is the rear camera. So to remove it, we should disconnect this pin. And yeah, the rear camera is dismantled. See the pins. This is the rear camera. So what about the front camera? flipping the motherboard and doing the same process. And the front camera, which is a 5 megapixel, came out without any issues. Now it's a pure motherboard. You can see this. This phone still power ons but has a broken display and the power key is lost in this phone. Still, the power button works. These two connections here are connected to the vibrating motor present here. And this small connection here near the LED is connected to the front microphone present here. The headphone jack is replaceable, but the charging port is unreplaceable. It's soldered in its position. This whole headphone jack comes attached with the home, back, and recent apps button. So as we have disassembled everything and sealed, as we have dismantled everything and sealed, now we can assemble everything again back to normal. I will see you after assembling. So now I reassemble this phone again. What do you think? Will it power on? Let's see. So I told that it does not have a power button. So how can we power it up? We can power it up by the home button. For that, just take out the home button, keep it in the place where the power button should sit, and press and hold. The phone is still starting. Let's give it some time to start up. Did you hear that sound? Hey, can you hear the sound? The phone still starts. Thanks for watching this video. Until my next video arrives, bye.